Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here. Your boy Dominoes 7 would like to wish each and every one of y'all a happy Easter Saturday, okay? Yes, indeed. So, Easter's tomorrow and stuff like that, and I'm very delighted to be on here and saying happy Easter to each and every one of y'all, okay? So, anyway, I'll get ready to dye some eggs with just me and my twin, okay? So I'm getting ready to go dye some eggs, and we're gonna have lots of fun. Okay, too bad for that. You know that I ain't gonna have too many people over here. You know, like all right. Here's a story I want to tell y'all. Okay, all right. This Easter Saturday vlog of 2019. You know, as I was saying. You know, all right. At first, when we was living next door to my auntie Sandra in the Sapinall project, and then at first we was dyeing eggs by ourselves, okay, in Easter of 91, okay, that was 1 year, and then 92, 93, 94, we all started dyeing eggs together, me and us and the family, you know. I mean, that was so much fun, you know, very much fun. I could just scream. All right. I'm thinking about that part when that flower was screaming, water, water, ah! Yes, indeed. Water, water, ah! Oh my God. He was like, water, water, ah! The flower was screaming, not me. It was that little Audrey cartoon, the Rainmaker. Alright, y'all go on YouTube and type Lil Audrey Rainmaker, okay? Alright? So y'all gonna watch that cartoon. The flowers start to scream. Oh my God. Oh, that was funny. Oh my God. All right. Well, I'm about to go check on the eggs downstairs. All right. So that's all for my Easter. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not finished though. Before I go check on my eggs, they're broiling right now. Okay. So, anyways, I was saying though, from 1991 to 1991, we started dyeing eggs by ourselves, and then 92, 93, 94, we started dyeing eggs with the family. I don't know why I made that wish. I wish we could dye eggs by ourselves. Damn it, our wish came true. I think November 1994, we moved to the Miracle Apartments, now called the Fairmont Park Apartments, okay? And Easter 1995, we dyed eggs by ourselves. Our wish came true, unfortunately, okay? All right. So, anyway, 1995, 96, 97 of Easter, we dyed eggs by ourselves in the Marable Apartments. Well, in 96, they changed the name to Fairmont Park Apartments, you know. And now, after that, we started, 1997, Christmas, we moved out of Marable Apartments right behind Asia Church, you know. And we spent, let me see, Easter of 98, Easter 99, 2 Easters in the you know, 2 Easters in behind the church. No Easters. No Easters. And well, all right. So anyway, happy Easter Saturday, y'all. Okay. And this Easter Saturday vlog don't make no sense. Okay. All right, that's all for now. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow on this webcam, okay? Bye.